The power beneath the hood, understanding horsepower. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a term that you might have heard often but may not fully understand: horsepower. It's a word that's thrown around in car commercials and appliance advertisements, but what does it really mean? Let's gallop into the world of horsepower and find out. Horsepower is a unit of measurement that you'll often encounter in discussions about engines and vehicles. It was originally coined by the engineer James Watt, who compared the power of steam engines to the power of draft horses. Essentially, horsepower is a way to measure the power that an engine can produce. It's like saying how many horses you'd need to get the same amount of work done. Back in the 18th century, James Watt wanted a way to impress his customers with how efficient his steam engines were. He observed ponies working in coal mines and estimated that a horse could turn a mill wheel of a certain size around 2.5 times per minute. From these observations, he calculated that 1 horsepower was equivalent to a horse lifting 330 pounds of coal up a 100-foot mine shaft in 1 minute. This unit has since become standardized and is now used to measure the power of engines. In modern times, we use horsepower to talk about the power of cars, trucks, and even electrical appliances. For vehicles, the horsepower rating is a way of describing how powerful the engine is and how quickly it can work. A car with a high horsepower rating will be faster and more powerful than one with a lower rating. However, more horsepower usually means the engine consumes more fuel. Horsepower is important because it gives you a quantifiable number to compare the performance of different engines. If you're buying a car or any machine with an engine, knowing its horsepower can help you understand its capabilities. It can tell you a lot about the speed, acceleration, and even the potential fuel consumption of the vehicle. Did you know that 1 horsepower does not equal the power of 1 horse? In fact, 1 horsepower is actually more power than 1 average horse can sustain. Also, there are different standards of horsepower, such as metric horsepower, electrical horsepower, and boiler horsepower, each used in different contexts. And there we have it, a closer look at horsepower. I hope this video has revved up your understanding of this widely used term and why it's so important in the world of engines and machinery. Remember, horsepower is not just about speed. It's about the engine's ability to do work efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this explainer helpful. Drive safely, and see you in our next video.